Hello guys, welcome back to Makaut Smashers. In today's video, we are diving into the chapter 7 of our series Project Management. Project management is at the core of any successful venture, and mastering it is crucial for turning ideas into actionable result. But what exactly is a project, and how do we define project management? In this chapter, we will explore these definitions and discuss the common issues and problems entrepreneurs face when managing the project. We will also break down the project life cycle, which include the 4 essential phases: initiation or conceptualization, planning, implementation or execution, and finally closure or termination. Understanding each of these phases is key to ensuring that your project runs smoothly, on time, with budget. So let's get started and learn the art of managing the project effectively. So at first, definitions of project and project management. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or result. Unlike routine operation, a project has a defined beginning and the end, and it is designed to meet specific goals and objectives. Project management refers to the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to ensure a project is completed efficiently and effectively. It involves planning, executing, and closing the work while balancing the scope, time, cost, and quality. A project manager is responsible for leading the teams, managing the resources, and navigating the challenges to ensure the project achieves its goal within the constraints like deadlines and budgets. Okay. Issues and problems in project management. Managing a project is so rarely without challenges. Common issues in project management include the scope creep, where the project requirements expand beyond the original plan; resource allocation problems, where the necessary human, financial, or material resources are not available. Communication breakdown can cause the misunderstandings, delay, or missed deadlines. Additionally, projects often face risks such as budget overruns, unexpected technical difficulties, and market change. Successful project management requires identifying these potential problems early on, using risk management strategies, and maintaining strong communication with this team and stakeholders throughout the project's life cycle. Okay. Project life cycle. Initiation or conceptualization phase. The initialization or the conceptualization phase is the starting point of the project life cycle, where the project's goal, objectives, feasibility are defined. This phase involves gathering the initial information, defining the project purpose, and conducting a feasibility study to ensure it is worth pursuing. A project charter is often developed in this phase to formally authorize the project, outlining key stakeholders, the objectives, scope, constraints. The success of this phase depends on clear communication and alignment between the stakeholders to ensure that everyone understands the project goals before proceeding to the next phase. So now, project planning phase. The project planning phase is where the roadmap for the project is created. This phase includes the defining the tasks, setting timelines, identifying the resources, and developing a budget. Project manager create detailed plans that break down the task into manageable units, assign team members, and set the deadlines for each task. Risk assessment is also crucial in this phase, where the potential risks are identified and contingency plans are developed. The planning phase serves as the blueprint for the entire project, guiding the team's efforts to ensure the tasks are completed on time and within the budget, while meeting the project's objectives. So now, project life cycle. Implementation or execution phase. The implementation or execution phase is where the actual work of the project is carried out according to the project plan. Teams begin executing the tasks, resources are allocated, and the project deliverables are produced. During this phase, the project manager monitors the progress, ensures that the team is on track, and manages any changes or challenges that arise. This phase also involves regular reporting to stakeholders, updating the timelines, and ensuring the quality control. Effective communication and coordination are the key to keeping the project on schedule and addressing the issues as they arise without derailing the entire project. Okay. So now, project life cycle, closure, termination phase. The closure or the termination phase marks the formal completion of the project. In this phase, the project deliverable are finalized and handed over to the client or the stakeholders. A final evaluation is conducted to assess the project's success, including whether it meet its goals, stayed within the budget and adhere to timelines. Lessons learned during the project are documented and any remaining tasks such as contract closures or the resources allocations are completed. This phase is critical for ensuring that the project ends smoothly with all objectives met and stakeholders satisfied with the results. So at the end of the video, that brings us to the end of the chapter 7 of project management. We have explored the essential phases of the project life cycle from the initiation to closure and discussed the challenges that project management or the manager often face. By understanding these concepts, you are better equipped to handle the complexities of managing a project successfully. Remember, effective project management is about balancing the scope, time, cost and quality while leading your team toward achieving the desired goal. As you move forward, keep refining your skills in planning, execution and risk management. In our next chapter, we will dive into the project feasibility study, where we will explore how to assess whether a project is worth pursuing. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to Makaut Smasher for the more valuable content. See you in the next video.